How to reset or recover Gmail account password if forgotten. For that, first of all, launch your Gmail application on your device. Once you launch your Gmail application, you will be asked to choose in which you want to open your Gmail. From here, select Google. Once you do that, here, add your email address and hit on next. Now, from here you have to choose enter your password option. If you know password, you can write it, but if you don't know, then there you will see try another way option. Simply tap on it. Now, at the last, select get help. Select that. Now, from here you have to open your YouTube and there you will see a verification. Simply tap on that and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily get a recover or reset your Gmail account password. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.